Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. You've discovered Bri Budgets. Alrighty guys, so for today's video, we're gonna be doing another cash stuffing, yay! Alrighty, so just a forewarning, this paycheck is going to be small. It's gonna be smaller than what I'm used to on a weekly schedule. So yeah, do not be alarmed. I still managed to have my bills covered for this week. And like my money that I put aside for bills, at least, I'm still good. And I had a little bit left over, so I kind of dispersed what I could. So I guess with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right on into the video. Okay, you all, so I have my envelope here, got the money in there. We are all good and ready to start counting and make it look cute. So real quick before I jump in, I just wanted to kind of break down my actual budget. I was gonna film me doing this, but I forgot as I started writing it, and I was like, I don't feel like starting over. So next week, I definitely got you guys on a budgeting video, budget with Bri, and then I've got a my cash stuffing with me as well. So great. So real quick, this is paycheck number 3 of the month of January. So it's pretty much gonna be for 21st through the 27th. My income this week was $400. I only worked 4 days this week, you guys, or last week. And yeah, I'm not very used to seeing smaller paychecks anymore. But I mean, it's whatever. I'm glad and still blessed to have received something for my work. So that's good. Alrighty, so we've got my bills. Per usual, we got rent, car note, phone bill, subscriptions, gas, groceries that snowball, and then my sinking funds, Bri spending, Bri savings, luxury, camera, car maintenance, gifts, medical, travel, emergency, and student loans. Now, some of my sinking funds, I do have zeros because I'm not going to be stuffing them today. I know, so sad, but it's cool because I still have other things that I was able to kind of space out and stuff anyway. It is what it is. So like I said, I'm still blessed to have received a paycheck at all. So definitely grateful for that. So we'll go ahead and jump right on into counting the money. Let's see how much we got. Well, I know how much we got. Y'all know how much we got. It's $400, so we'll go ahead and jump in. 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 385, 390, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $400. I think I just got a package. I'm sorry, that kind of like scared me. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep going, whatever. So we got our $100 bill, got our 50s, we got our 20s, 10s, my 2 little 5s, and my 1s. So I switched the locations to make my budgeting video, and I'm able to actually show all the bills on my little tray, and it makes me so happy. But yeah. Okay, so to start off, we've got my white binder, and she holds my bills plus. So bills and expenses pretty much. Alrighty, so for today, rent is gonna be getting its normal $183. And I already pre-filled out my budget sheets, so all of them already have the 21st deposit, the amount I'm adding, and the total that is in here after I add it. So we'll go ahead and get our $183. Did I say 153 earlier? I don't know, but it's 183. Okay, so we have 100, 150, 170, 180, 181, 82, 83. I'm so glad I started doing this again, like for real, because when I tell you it is so hard to save money, like, dude, especially for bills, like those bills just be popping up like, surprise, pay me. And I'm like, nah, man, look, slow down. Okay, so we should have a total of 549. Got 1, 2, 3, 350, 450, 470, 490, 510, 520, 530, 540, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 549. Perfect. And we'll go ahead and add that right on back in here. Alrighty, so for car notes, we're going to be adding $63. Dang, I went through my hundreds and my 50s real fast. One day I'm gonna have lots of hundreds and 50s to add, just not now. All right, so we got 50, 60, 61, 62, $63. This is fun. If you guys are not budgeting, I 10 out of 10 recommend. You don't have to do cash, so that's the thing. You can do like online. You can do just writing it down and just keeping your eye on your money. You can do fake money. I've seen that before as well. There's plenty of ways to do this. Cash works for me because I don't spend cash, honestly. I used to, but I got attracted to like spending cards and swiping the plastic, okay? So cash, I don't spend it all, so it's easier for me. But yeah, so we've got, or we should have 189 in here. So that's gonna be 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 180, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Perfect. 189 for car note. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button for me, please. And check out my Instagram and TikTok. You'll enjoy. If you guys have any questions, per usual, just drop them in the comment section. Or anyway, anything. Any kind of way, shape, or form, I would answer them. Phone bill. Phone bill today is going to be getting $35. So, oopsies, I'm making a mess. My bad. I like having long nails because you're able just to, you know, fix things real quick. So I got 20, 30, 35. All right, so that's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, $105. All right, Discover, I'm gonna be skipping. I'm still trying to work out my credit cards and everything. So I'm not gonna lie, I have racked up a couple of my credit cards again. Whenever they give you an increase, it's just kind of like, wow, I have the power, but you don't. So a couple of my credit cards, I'm still writing out like a way of how I'm gonna pay them off, starting with the snowball method and all that stuff. For the time being, I'm just collecting it all and I'm just gonna pay them however I feel, like the minimums plus a little extra if I can, until I'm able to like secure a good foundation to pay them back pretty much like every single week or every single month. But we'll skip this for now. So Discover, sorry bud. Citibank, sorry bud. I actually have 2 Citibanks now. Ooh. So yeah, Apple Card, skipping you too, bud, sorry. Alrighty. Subscriptions. Subscriptions is going to be getting $5. So I switched over to the annual Apple plan from Apple Music. And child, I don't have to pay another $100 until next year. So I'm probably going to put money aside every single month eventually, so I can have that $100 by the time of next year. But for now, I'm still, like I said, working out a couple of kinks in my budget. So for the time being, I'm just gonna keep doing this. But we got $5, $10, $15 for my subscriptions. The subscriptions that remain in here though, however, is going to be my Amazon and my Apple Cloud storage. Because your girl uses a lot of storage for like videos and stuff. I have 2 channels and I take lots of pictures, and so that little 2 gigabytes of iCloud or whatever, it does not work. Like the storage is not enough, so I had to update to the 1 TB, and I'm glad I did. Gas, I'm gonna be getting $12. So the way I do my gas, so pretty much everything, the way that I do all of my envelopes and my bills and expenses, this stuff is for next month. So this month of January, I've already paid with December's money. For February, I'm using all what I'm stuffing for January to pay my February bills. That way in February, I'm paying for March, if that makes sense. That way by the first of the month or the first week, because that's usually when my bills are due, really for anybody, usually your bills are in the beginning of the month. I already have the money ready to go. And I just pay my bills or I have my auto pay deduct from my account. It just kind of depends, but I can go a little bit deeper into that in a later video. If you guys like, just let me know down below. So we're gonna be adding 12 for my gas. So like I said, if I do need to get gas, I already have the amount in my bank account, just waiting for me to take it out. And I don't need gas right now anyway. So yeah, we got 10, 11, 12. So we're gonna have 36 in here. So that's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. Yippee. I think this is like the only one I have like trouble opening. There we go. Ooh-wee. Okay. Groceries is going to be getting $40. So if you watch my last 2 videos, I finally went grocery shopping, guys. Finally. So I'm putting in $40. So I actually only used 200 of it. And that was only because I had to get some like extra stuff that wasn't necessarily like food, which is fine. So I'm going to be adding $40 back. And so I should have 80. So we got 20, 40, 60, 80, boom. 80 for groceries. Next month, that is. I'm good for the rest of the month. Okay. Debt snowball is going to be getting $10. So, like I said, I'm just trying to collect money for the time being. I'm supposed to be receiving a nice bonus check at the end of the month. So, praying that, you know, everything comes through like it's supposed to, because that'll definitely help me with my debt. So, let's go ahead and count it up. Got 50, 70, 90, 100. Great, that's one bill. The struggle, but I'm not gonna struggle for too much longer. We almost through with it. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, this is my black baby Vanda, and she holds all of my sinking funds. Fun. Okay, cool. So sinking funds, Bri spending, she's gonna be getting $20. So like I said, a couple of these I'm going to be skipping, unfortunately, but it is what it is. So Bri spending is going to be getting $20 today. So she should have 140. So it's going to be 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. Bri spending. Don't know what I'm going to use this for just yet. Maybe some makeup because I need makeup. Oh, well. Okay, great. Ooh, that did not go right. Okay, better. So Bri savings, unfortunately, we're skipping her. Luxury, I am also skipping. Sad face. Oh well. Camera's gonna be getting $10 today. You go, camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, so camera, I want to get a camera. The camera I want, I'm not gonna lie, like $600. So I'm gonna figure out a way to save as much as I possibly can and get me my camera before my trip in June. That's ideal. I want it before then, but I mean, no pressure or whatever, you know. Alright, so we got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10. Perfect. $110 to camera. So I'm going to be skipping car maintenance. I'm going to be skipping gifts. Going to be skipping medical. We're jumping right to travel. Y'all, I know I'm crazy. I'm still adding travel, but I'm not adding car maintenance. Like, what's wrong with you, Bri? I have just chosen this route. And if it comes back to bite me, then oh well. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm doing travel because I do have a specific thing I am saving for as of right now, which is my trip. I think I'm pretty much done saving for it anyway. The only thing now is just cake for like clothing, excursions, things like that. Like the trip cost fees, like flight, stay, that stuff, we good. But the extra is not what I need. So yeah, we're going to be adding to this guy $10. So we should have 575. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 5, 520, 530, 540, 550, 555, 560, 565, 570, 575. Perfect. Alrighty, travel. Oops. Okay, great. Emergency is going to be getting the remainder, which is 12, or should be 12. 10, 11, 12, boom. Great. So emergency should have a total of 282 after I add this. Woo. 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 265, 270, 275, 280, 281, 82. Perfect. And that is emergency. Great. Student loans isn't getting anything, sorry. Alright, so that sums it up for my sinking funds. Thanks for watching, you guys. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to anyone who you think might benefit from it. Like I always say, if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I will definitely get to them. And thank you guys again for all the support you guys have given me thus far on this budgeting journey. I'm going to get to debt free, okay? I'm going to get to debt freedom soon, financial freedom. It's just going to take some time and work, but that's okay. We all got to go our own pace, and that's what matters. So yeah, the journey is better than the destination. If you know what that means, great. If you don't, it's just great. Alrighty guys, so I will see you next week. Bye guys.